Hello and good afternoon, everybody over at Kline Electric. My name is Josh here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I wanted to share this video over to you guys as promised from our discussion this morning, showing you guys how you can get more customers in the door every single month by adjusting a few of the things you guys are already currently doing online. So one thing we're going to do is we're going to go over your guys' website and kind of how we can start to boost that up. And secondly, we're also going to go over your Google My Business Map Pack. So as we have your guys' website up right here, right now, we've got your photo, we've got your huge team of workers, which is super awesome to see. I know everybody else likes seeing that too. But one thing that I don't see a lot of is content, right? We've got here, got a little bit here. You know, we want to have tons and tons of content all across our website. Videos are good. You know, everybody likes that, but Google really likes content, and we want to have a lot of it. The average homepage has about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content in order to rank really well. And so we want to make sure we have that, not just any kinds of content, but good keyword-rich content as well, right? And one way we can figure that out is by using a tool similar to this, right? We can take your guys' URL, we can put it here into Ahrefs. Once it wants to load for me. There we go. And we're going to look back at Mr. Electric in a second, but for now, we're going to look at you guys, right? And figure out where you guys stand. So we got 210 backlinks. We can go over what backlinks are in a second, but we were going over keywords, right? And we can see that once this little dingy dally icon wants to load here, rotate. How many words of keywords you guys are actually targeting in your website right now? And a lot of this is considered SEO. A lot of this is all number-based. We also want to make sure we have good, valuable backlinks, referring domains, and keywords as well. I'm not going to dive too deep into it. One thing I will explain while this is loading, what kinds of backlinks there are. There is no follow backlinks, there's do follow backlinks, there's citations, guest posts, blog comments, all of them included in our site. You know, a little bit of everything is always better. And when it comes to numbers, that's what we're hoping. So this does not want to load for me. We cannot see this right now. What we're going to do is, since this is up here, we're going to compare you guys to your top competitor right now. And we'll be able to figure out why you guys aren't ranking as well as them, right? Why they're potentially taking a lot of your guys' customers because they're found faster. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video here and let it load up and refresh. Alrighty guys, now that we finally got this computer to load up here, we can see the difference, right? So thousands and thousands of more backlinks, hundreds of thousands of backlinks compared to what you guys had. So that's really what makes these guys stand out as the #1 electrician in your guys' area, because they've applied all of these keywords, backlinks, domains into their website and are able to reach more customers. So we have that. We went over the backlinks. I'm going to show you the keywords as well here quick on what keywords you guys probably want to start targeting on your site. I know that lamp repair near me, right? This has 18,000 search volume. They're in position number 10 for it. There's room for you guys to sneak up in here as long as you start applying things like these, right? We want to figure out what keywords that they have that they're kind of or semi kind of ranking for, and we want to go out and target all of that, right? Because we can almost do a copycat method here on what these guys are doing. Because if it's working for them, you may as well use it for yourself, right? As well as the Google My Business portion, right? I said we were going to go over that a little bit too. So we're going to touch base on that right now. So load up Google, and we'll show you a little bit of the organic search results and why we want to focus on our Google My Business Map Pack or portion of the search engine as well. So one thing I do, I search in electricians Iowa, right? The first thing that comes up are Google Ads. This is a great way to draw customers to your website, and turning into actual paying people is running ads. You guys already know this, right? And so Google Ads are an effective way of doing that. But then we also have this right here, which is the Google My Map Pack portion of Google. Top 3 businesses are only ever 3 of them that ever show up, right? And so if you guys aren't in the first page in the organics, you're never ever going to be here. So we want to make sure we really focus on that, the backlinks and the keywords, and we want to focus all of that so we can get into the first page. And then we want to start worrying about, reviews as well. Want to make sure that this is optimized so that it's easily findable, so that Google finds us as a relevant, trustworthy business online. And that's another great way to start growing. So, with that being said, everybody over at Kline Electric, again, my name is Josh Nelson. I hope this video is loaded with information for you guys that can help you start growing and boosting your ranking online, getting more customers in the quote-unquote door every single month. So, with that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.